Hello, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome back to the Common Sense Crypto channel. As with you always, this is Rich doing a video on XRP. But before we get started, please click the like and subscribe button as it helps the channel grow immensely. So right now, XRP is sitting at 40, almost 41 cents. And most people are saying, how come we're not at new all-time highs? Or why are we not at least at $1? And every time I look at the chart, we're either going sideways or down. Well, I'm going to try to answer those questions for you today in today's video. So Bitcoin tanks as correlation with stocks rises and the Dow drops over 600 points. Now, anyone in the stock market who's not in crypto says, I don't even look at the crypto market. I'm in stocks. I don't care about it. And anybody who's in cryptocurrency says, I don't look at the stock market because it has nothing to do with me. I'm not in stocks. And both of those statements are wrong. Because if you look at the Dow Jones and the Dow's green, there's a good chance you look at your cryptocurrency and you're going to see green candles. Because they are so correlated anymore. Like, if the Dow Jones is going up, Bitcoin goes up. If Bitcoin goes up, the altcoins go up. If the Dow is dropping, there's a good chance Bitcoin's dropping and the altcoins are dropping with it. And with that said, this is another article I just found. Bitcoin's continuing troubles in 2022 indicate that a crypto winter may be on the way. Now, again, we're going to go back to what we just seen with the Dow being correlated with Bitcoin. Now, I don't think in 2022 we're going to see a crypto winter. And a lot of people are going to argue with me and say, oh, you're going to be totally wrong about this because Bitcoin's in a bear market. I think that what Bitcoin's actually doing is going into a super cycle, which could push the price of Bitcoin over $100,000. And I know a lot of people in XRP are going to say, oh, you know, Bitcoin's done. It's in the bear market. We're just waiting for retracement so we could fly in the alt market. But think about this. Okay, in November of 2021, Bitcoin hit an all-time high of $69,000. Why did we not go on our bull run yet? I think we're looking at a long drawn-out cycle which pushes Bitcoin to a new all-time high. And why do I think that? Because I think the Dow has one more all-time high in it. And I think when the Dow starts climbing to its new all-time high, it's going to pull Bitcoin with it. Bitcoin's going to bring the altcoins with it. And when Bitcoin starts dropping, that's when I think we're really going to push forward, because I think the money's going to pour out of Bitcoin into the altcoin market and push it even higher. Now, with that said, where do I see XRP if this plays out the way I think it's going to play out? And I'm going to call this in the fall of 2022 into early 2023. Some people are calling for $100,000 Bitcoin in the summer of next year or the fall of next year. I think it's going to happen sooner. And I think what's going to cause this to happen sooner is that a recession and inflation is going to push our dollar down, which is going to push the Dow up, which is going to bring Bitcoin up, which is going to bring the altcoin market up. You know what I'm saying with that? How everything moves together, it's all going to go up at once as the US dollar drops in value. So, with that said, I don't think we're looking at summer of next year. I think it's going to happen a lot sooner, because recession and inflation is going to push it and usher it in a lot quicker than people think. Now, we also have this going on. The SEC case against Ripple is now slated to end in 2023. So, what if the case isn't over? That has nothing to do with our bull run with XRP. XRP is going to get its bull run either way. Would I like this to end before that happens? Of course, everybody would. We want this to end tomorrow. We want regulatory clarity, and we want to know exactly where XRP's price should be, $7, $8, $9, before a bull run. Because then if we go into a bull run, especially in a super cycle, I think we could see a $50, $60 XRP. It could just skyrocket. Who knows where the price could stop? But I'm going to say we're going to go anywhere between $30 and $60 if this all played out the way I just explained it. So then this is going to happen on July 4th, which I think could push the price of XRP up a little bit. So all XRP holders are going to receive flare on July 4th of 2022. That's in the short term. So let's look at this again. So everybody's going to go out and try to grab as much XRP as they can so they could receive the free flare. So that pushes the price up a little bit. At the same time, the Dow starts rising, Bitcoin starts rising. So do we get up to a little bit better pricing for XRP? Because I don't think it's going to come right back down. Even if the flare coin starts out high and then drops off, you know, like every other coin does when it's released, all of a sudden it's coming out at $6. And you look at it the next day, once it hits exchanges and everything else, and all of a sudden it's priced low. I mean, we've seen that happen with Solo. We've seen that happen with almost every airdrop we have gotten on the XRP, you know, just for being holders. Now, when all of this is utilized, I think every coin we got in an airdrop is also going to move up in value. I mean, I think everything is going to go all at once. So we also have this. Ripple rallies in lieu of ongoing SEC lawsuit. This is just from May 14th, 6 days ago. And it's not a huge rally, but it rallied. And what the shocking part of this is it rallied even with the ongoing lawsuit. So that's positive news. That's like kind of like a green light for people who want to invest in Ripple. Even though the lawsuit's going on, it's still rallying, you know, and people feel good about that. And Ripple readies for bullish weekend. That's today. It's saying the XRP price prediction is that we're going to be bullish this weekend. I think we're going to see a lot of movement into the upside, not only in XRP, but in Bitcoin and other altcoins, because the market closed good today. So everybody's going to ride that for the weekend. And then when the market opens back, I'm talking about the stock market, by the way. So when that opens on Monday, if it opens the same way it closed today, this could be a great week next week for crypto in general. So with all that said, that's my thoughts on XRP for today. Thank you all for watching. I'm going to wrap this video up, and we'll see you in the next one. Have a great night.